For decades, robots have been powerful, but limited. They could repeat the same task thousands of times, faster and more accurately than any human, but only in tightly controlled environments. Change the lighting, move an object slightly, introduce something unexpected, and the robot fails. That is now changing, rapidly. Today, we are entering a new era where artificial intelligence is teaching robots how to see, reason, adapt, and understand the physical world in ways that increasingly resemble human cognition. This is not science fiction. This is not a distant future. This is AI and robotics integration, and it may be the most important technological shift since the internet. Traditional robots were rule-based machines. They followed explicit instructions. Pick this object, move it here, repeat. They had no understanding of why they were performing a task, only how. If a factory robot was trained to grab a box from a conveyor belt, and that box was rotated slightly, the robot would often fail. Not because it was broken, but because it didn't understand what a box is. Humans, on the other hand, generalize effortlessly. We recognize objects, infer intent, and adapt to new situations without being reprogrammed. The breakthrough happening now is that AI is giving robots that missing layer of understanding. Modern robotics is no longer driven by fixed instructions. It is driven by AI models trained on massive amounts of data, including images, video, language, physical interactions with the real world. This shift allows robots to move from execution to perception. Instead of being told, grip object at coordinates X and Y, a robot can now reason. This object looks fragile. This surface appears unstable. This movement might cause damage. This is the foundation of what many researchers call embodied AI or physical AI. Intelligence that exists not just in software, but inside a machine that interacts with reality. At the core of this transformation is learning through experience. Just like humans, AI-powered robots are trained through observation, trial, and error reinforcement. A robot may attempt to pick up an object hundreds or thousands of times. Each failure teaches it something. Each success refines its understanding. Over time, the robot builds a mental model of the world. What objects are, how they behave, how force, gravity, and motion interact. This is remarkably similar to how infants learn. A child doesn't read a manual on how to pick up a cup. They try, they fail, they adjust. AI is now enabling robots to do the same, at machine speed. Human intelligence is not a single system. We see, we interpret, we decide, we act. Modern AI robotic systems mirror this structure. 1. Vision models allow robots to see and recognize objects. 2. Reasoning models allow them to plan and predict outcomes. 3. Control systems allow them to move precisely in the physical world. What's new is that these systems are now deeply integrated, rather than operating in isolation. The robot doesn't just see an obstacle, it understands what the obstacle means for its goal and adjusts accordingly. This integration is what allows robots to operate in unstructured environments like homes, hospitals, warehouses, and even space. This technology is no longer confined to research labs. We are seeing AI-driven robots deployed in manufacturing facilities that reconfigure themselves in real-time warehouses where robots collaborate safely with humans, healthcare settings assisting with logistics and patient care, space missions where autonomous robots operate without direct human control. The common thread is adaptability. These robots are not just automated, they are context-aware. AI teaching robots to understand the world like humans is not about replacing people. It is about extending human capability. It means safer workplaces, smarter infrastructure machines that assist rather than obstruct technology that adapts to us, not the other way around. We are witnessing the convergence of digital intelligence and the physical world. And once machines can truly understand their environment, the limits of what they can do change completely. This is not just the future of robotics. This is the future of how humans and machines coexist. If you want to stay ahead of where AI, robotics, and emerging technology are headed next, make sure you're subscribed to Next Wave Tech, because the next wave isn't coming. It's already here.